view nito, ma'am?
Never in my life have I seen this kind of thing.
Sinulog De Kabankalan! Make some noise! Everybody at the left, how y'all doing? Yo, put your fucking hands up!
So everyone, we are out and it's still so dark and very cold. So this is my outfit. I know you can't see it. I'm gonna show you soon. Anyways, we are going to pick my grandma up. We're just waiting for my mother and yeah, this is our ride from my lolo. It's very cold in the Philippines. It's like cold and hot, which made me sick. And this is our stuff. We have our banig, our water, our utensils right over there, and our 2 bags. We also have like this little folding. Okay, I'm going to get a little closer. Our folding table. I'm gonna show this one soon. I'm gonna get out now. It's so dark. A gloomy morning. Yo yo.
Fit senior.
Fit senior.
So good na sa
Sinulog. Wow! Our food, our dear breakfast. Because we didn't have any breakfast. Yeah. Look at us.
Wala mga ligo.
Wala din makaligo because it's so cold here in the Philippines. I don't know, karon pa may nagkaguan, karon pag-tignaw kayo. Because it's usually so hot here. Motto, unofficial motto, so hot here in the Philippines.
I'm ready.
We are here at my Lola's house now. I feel very sick of the ride. So yeah, kung pahiran ko, di mo itong kumayo. I don't know, it feels fun, but it makes it so tiring. You know, because of the ride itself, but yeah. There's nothing I can do, like really nothing. I also have my tita there. She just went ahead yesterday and got to Kabankalan, while today we are going to travel. They slept there on a hotel. Sana all. Anyways, I'm just waiting for my father to be done with the bangla. I don't feel good.
Wala na nabilin, ma. Gagawin ko plastic nga manok ni.
Hi. Yes, it is literally this dark outside. You can't even see, you can only see the lights. You can't even see the moon.
Country road, please take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country road.
Haggard kayo ko kay kasukuan. Kung pagkaon kayo ko, and yes, ano meron. I hate rides like this, especially in the car. Di rin mga antid to kaya wala pa may kwarta, yes. So di rin mga antid to reme. This is our breakfast.
Going like a breeze, country road, take me home to the place I belong.
Kumusta ang biyahe?
Nakasuka ko. Hello everyone! Naabot namin diri sa Kabankalan and it's good nga na nami in time for the mass kay it's good to start the day with the blessing of the Lord. There's a lot of people came to visit the Sinulog Festival.
Unless you become like little children, you cannot enter the kingdom of God.
Viva, Señor Santo Niño!
Viva! Drum beater. Viva, Señor Santo Niño! Viva, Señor Santo Niño! Viva, Señor Santo Niño!
It's very loud because of the drums, but we have to go to the church first para makapanagkot me. So, let's go! We're making our way to the church. There are so many people! Ubay Tagkandila guys. Actually, familiar kayo ni ang place, especially sa sulod kay nakat na biya may katong past few years. Sige, let's go. Ang language gid nila di gyud kasabot sa language.
Kay Ilonggo sila di mo. Ilonggo.
Di ko ilunggo gid. Sa Estrabella family ako na gid si Wano.
Utang na. Nasa na nabutan eh. Ang mga sa tamang relax.
Yes, alang init kayo. Guys, init kayo guys.
Balakay, oy atong dungog. Sayo na gipari sa pag-iog sa sulong. Pagkachino, padampin, alam sa Santo Niño. Tigalan na kinabuyaron, malipay ang Ginoo. Sinulog, siya gitong kusog.
Señor, Señor, ang magsaulog sa sinulog. Kitang tanan, magpinsilya. Sulutas sa sinulog.
Pagkaonan diri ka mo eat or relax.
Country road, please take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country road, almost heaven.
Violet na ang ilang uling ko violet na.
Violet nila uling giloy na kuan.
Naamay kuan, kala ka nga violet ila uling diri.
You look like nigger.
Mami baka Pino nga mo niya oh. Pino Pinukpok na uling. O, natawa ba natin?
Take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country road, all my memories gather around her. Mine is lately stranger to blue water.
This guy did a pita guys. Never in my life have I seen this kind of thing.
bouncing, keep bouncing. Keep bouncing, keep bouncing. Keep bouncing, keep bouncing.